Hello, are you tired of the daily grind and want to start earning money from home? And you want to know if the Home Business Academy is the right fit for you? Paul, one of the co-founders of the business, will be talking all about it and telling you why it's a good fit for you. And he's even going to talk to you about how you can make money while you sleep. Now, doesn't that sound a whole lot better than what you are? My friend, if you want to invest in yourself and a year from now be financially free, I really believe with all my heart that this business would be great for you. The sooner you start, the sooner you can be financially free. You don't want to be 6 months from now thinking, man, I wish I would have started. Start today. For what it costs for a nice meal someplace is what you can start your own business at home and start being financially free. Thank you very much, and click on the link below.